The MQ-25A, which is an unmanned carrier-based air refueling system CBARS, and will be developed step by step into an unmanned combat air system UCAV, was unveiled by Lockheed Martin. So in this very interesting video you see the MQ-25A Stingray aerial refueling unmanned tanker so far developed by Lockheed Martin. It's true, it takes something to maintain superpower status. The U.S. Navy alone will set aside $719 million for the Stingray program. The funds will be used by the U.S. Navy to purchase the first 4 MQ-25, as in 2023, from the winning contestant. It is expected that this tanker version of the drone will be operational from the top deck of the aircraft carrier by 2026.